Alright, so I'm putting on my gloves. So I'm on the south side, the ice cream building on 10th Avenue, safety building really. So it's blocking the wind so you can hear me clearly. When I go and walk out to right here, and you'll see the water's coming underneath this building pretty good right now. Put my hood up. You can see I'm pretty high above it, so I'm not worried about it. But it is like the ocean's very close, so I won't be staying here more than about 3 more minutes. So, alright, so don't forget, buy some artwork on my site. Who keeps you entertained better than any television news? I do. Alright. So, there you go. Live from the beach. Live from the water. It's so high tide is 10:15. There's a bird who didn't make it. Kind of washing underneath the... I wonder if that's the same one I saw a couple days ago. Probably is. So that's the water underneath the building. I got some pictures here. Alright, so as you can see, we didn't get a ton of snow, but the wind's like 35 miles an hour. It's a lot of slush. I got my real boots on, which I had to go and dig out. I haven't worn them in a couple of years. But this building here is solid as can be. So not that bad temperature-wise. No. I have one glove on, one glove off, so I can kind of like operate the camera. But as I'm standing here in the wind, I am going to back up because I was getting a little bit cold right there. But see, I'll have to let the town know the back window is open. Back door is open. So until I get back, but if somebody wants to call the town, let them know. The back door to the lifeguard building is open, so I guess the wind got that open. So I'm sure somebody wants to come down here and close that. I just noticed that. I don't even know if that was open 5 minutes ago, or maybe I just wasn't looking. So that's kind of it. Shaking, and like I was saying to you, that door is open. That's not supposed to be open. I'm sure it's not supposed to be open. I mean, I don't know, I've never been in there. Lost our focus. Let's see what we can back there. We're back in focus. So see, if I stand right here, I'm kind of good. Alright, so remember, who keeps you entertained? Who shows it to you right on the beach? It's a nut job. My wife looked at me like, you're really going out in this? I was like, well, the most dangerous part was me getting off the stoop. So I made sure I was careful. I don't need to split my head open. Can you hear it? Alright, back to the storm. You guys don't want to see me. Waves are really big though. I mean, this is pretty far up the beach. Here comes another one. Kind of like once it makes it over that little bit of a hump, then it just dumps right in here. Got to be a couple feet underneath here by now. So, and somebody call the town and let them know this back door's open. Because I won't be back for like 10 minutes, but somebody should come down here and deal with that. Close it. I don't know how it got open, but the only way I'd have to be able to is go over through that way, and of course I'm not doing that. This below us, probably like quicksand. It's really, so let's, who knows, maybe by tomorrow this fence might wash out. So that's it. I'll give you the 2-cent tour of what the boardwalk looks like. Then I'm going to grab my camera bag and get out of here. See, as soon as you start getting away from the building. Alright. Yeah, we got a few inches of slush. We had more snow last night. There was more snow when we woke up. Today it's been a mixture of rain and slush. So this is my camera bag. Got to pack everything up so it doesn't get soaked. Old reliable iPhone. Kind of working better than my real camera. Because I need a little bit more light than what I got here. So, alright, that's it, folks. Thank you for all the stars. Like I said, someone's got to come down here and close that door.